Kila time huyu hater ana catch feelings. Why me ladies only me free? Niko busy, I'm so spanking, fucking lucky. Akia Mungu niko wapi? Maybe juu so high angani. Tafadhali my darling, still I do this for you, 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 I do this for you. Me, sina wife, I'm single for you, not busy for you. Calculate times 2, chora 7, figa 8, mini 6. Rombosa, dondosa, okoka, omoka. I do this for you kila time na kuona. Nani kama wewe hakuna, nani kama mimi hakuna. Hizi vitu haziko waangiza wao. Sijifanye naniambia huyo mtoto, sijifanye janja, mimi sio fala kama na haraka, otherwise queen come closer na kudara. And we shine forever, me and you. I do this for you, only one queen, and forever we're gonna be stay tight in this love. And I love you, just mine, just mine. And I love you, just mine, just mine. And I love you, my God, you're my God. And I love you, Queen, and you're my God. Baby, I love you, I love you. Baby, I love you, I love you. Sitakubali watu waangamize. And we're gonna put God first. Power of prayer, Patel.